Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where creativity comes alive. Today, I'm super excited to share this beautiful paper craft project with you. A vibrant floral wreath made entirely from simple materials like colored paper. Look at this design. It features bold red petals surrounding bright green flowers with silver accents. Isn't it stunning? Whether you're looking for a unique home decor idea, a festive touch, or a fun DIY project, this craft is perfect for all occasions. So grab your supplies and let's dive in. This craft is easier to make than it looks. Let me walk you through the steps. First, we'll start with the red petals. Take red colored paper, fold it in half, and cut out elongated shapes with pointed ends to give them a 3D look. Fold the edges slightly or crease the middle to add dimension. You'll need about 15 to 20 petals for a full, vibrant wreath. Next, let's make the green flowers. Cut out small circular shapes in green paper and layer them with scalloped edges to create that floral effect. To add depth, use a contrasting shade of green for the layers. In the center of each flower, I've placed a silver embellishment. It could be a rhinestone, a bead, or even crumpled aluminum foil. This tiny detail really makes the craft pop and adds a polished finish. Once you have all your pieces, arrange the red petals in a circular pattern, overlapping them slightly to form a base. Then glue the green flowers on top, focusing on the inner circle to create a beautiful, balanced design. Let everything dry completely before moving it